Good evening, traders. It is Thursday, May 18th. This video here, what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to explain. That's my wife screaming her lungs out. I'm gonna try to explain this trade that I've identified. Can't say that I invented it or discovered it or anything like that. Just something that I noticed, in the last couple of weeks while trading, and something that we weren't taught. But I've been doing it. I've been having some pretty good success with it. It's aggressive, but that's kind of like my style. I'm a little bit too aggressive. Like I tell my wife sometimes, like I feel like sometimes I have more balls than brains, But anywho, so what I call this the 1 2 3 go, and it's right here, So usually, not always, it follows strong momentum. So here we got in this example strong momentum to the downside, right? And then right here where the fill starts to flatline, we got 1 2 3 attempts to go to the downside. It doesn't quite do it, and then these last two pivots right here are pretty much a double bottom. And after this third attempt, we get this deeper pullback over the mid band, and I take it right there. I take it at the mid band. Yeah, you could be more conservative and take it from further back. This one right here you would have taken some heat, got really close to a 5-tick stop, but it would have survived. And then boom, and there it goes, right? So I call it the 1 2 3 go. Another thing that I just kind of noticed is this is also the beginning of an S trade, which is another trade that I came up with about a month ago, or that I identified about a month ago. I'll go over that in a different video. So let's find some other examples here. And it doesn't always work, right? But like this interview that I saw with Mark Douglas, it's like a weighted coin, right? A coin that's weighted on one side that'll flip over to heads, about 70% of the time. So it's gonna work every single time? No, it's not gonna work every single time. And I got an example here where it doesn't work out, but it's gonna work out most of the time, right? As long as you manage it correctly, you should be profitable with it. So here again, also strong momentum to the downside. It's almost identical. Right here, we get the strong move down right after this big move down, right? So we're waiting for more right here. With the strong move down, and then we're looking for some continuation. Doesn't go. Just 1 2, maybe this is 3, or maybe you can call this 1, this 2, and this 3, right? But after this one right here, boom, over the mid band, and again I take it right there. Like it should have gone. If it was gonna go, it should have gone by here, and it hasn't gone, right? So I take it right here, and bam, there it is to the outer band. Let's look for some other examples real quick. Here's another one. This one here. This one is on the flip of the momentum, right? So we got momentum down, then we got momentum up. And right here, we should be looking for some continuation to the upside, right? This one we never really had a flat fill, if you notice that. But we got 1 attempt here, 2 attempts there. Beautiful V2 right here, right? And yeah, it does go higher, but then we get this, down, mid-band disrespect, sharp pullback, aggressive in, boom. And it doesn't go immediately, this one, but you can see right there, it goes for quite a bit. And how much is this? This is 1 2 3 4 5 points. It's $250 with one contract. That's my day right there. If I can nail this, I'm done for the day. Otherwise I get too greedy, too euphoric with my trading. Let's see, let's find a couple other ones. Let's try to see if I can find that failed one. Here again, 1 2 3 4, snap underneath and comes down, right? That's Trump said something there. I forgot what that was. We go 1 2 3, kind of a 4, but snaps over, pops get it right away. See, this one doesn't come underneath. It goes. It doesn't go for a sharper pullback. It goes, right? But out to this one right here. So this one here, we got momentum up. 1 2 3, call that a 4th if you'd like. This one comes down, mid-band disrespect. Right here I would take it. It doesn't work out. It takes my money, right? 70% of the time. Again here, 1 2 3, and snap, crackle. I take it, pop. So that's what I call it. I call it the 1 2 3 go. Give it a shot. Look for it on your guys' charts. See if it works, and let me know what you guys think. Thank you.